Hi, I'm Angelina. I'm one of the junior traders on the Global Trader program with Alphachain. So I'm originally from the US, but I moved to London a little over a year ago to pursue a master's degree. So before I joined Alphachain, I was basically just working on that. I was doing a master's in finance, so I didn't personally have any prior experience trading or even learning about trading really before I joined the program. So I actually found Alphachain on LinkedIn. I saw that they had the CPD certified course as well as the option to go onto the live funded accounts after the training program was over. So that was sort of what initially attracted me to Alphachain specifically. So eventually I applied, I got into the program, and now I am getting ready to move on to the live funded account after about 12 weeks. I found the Global Trader program to be really quite beneficial. The team really does a good job at putting together a comprehensive training program over the course of 12 weeks, which teaches you all about fundamentals and technicals, and they make it easy to follow because there are goals and assignments that are due each week. So it really helps you to keep on top of everything, having that set schedule. There are also multiple weekly webinars that you can attend on different topics. One of my favorite ones was probably the psychology webinar that holds once a week, as that is definitely one of the most hard things to master in trading, is the psychology behind it. And on top of that, they have ongoing mentorship throughout the entire time that you're on the course. And the program was also completely remote, which is a bonus for me personally, because it meant you could learn from home or just wherever you needed to be, really. One-on-one mentoring sessions are also super helpful because you really can get specific questions answered. So if there's something that you don't want to ask in front of the whole group during the weekly webinars, or there's just something that comes up in the middle of the week and there isn't a time for you to ask questions through the webinars, you can set up weekly calls or you can send messages to your mentors, and everything pretty much gets answered because of that one-on-one mentoring. So you never really feel like you're on your own, and it really gives sort of a different dynamic to the learning, as opposed to just watching lecture videos. You really get to sort of have conversations with the mentors, and they really can teach you more about it than just watching the videos and then trying to figure it out all on your own. So for my final project, I essentially just decided to come up with my own strategy that I would try to implement for the live funds. So basically, again, I was trying to come up with my own strategy. So in order to do the final project, I basically just had to do my back testing and my forward testing and sort of analyzing my results, seeing where I could improve. And I think it went well. I think having to do that sort of really gives you confidence in the strategy, and sort of makes you just learn more about what you're looking for in your strategy. So yeah, it was really helpful to have to do that final project. So moving on to the live funds, I do feel a bit nervous, as it is sort of the first time for me trading live funds. However, I'm confident in knowing that I've been taught everything that I need to know in order to be successful, and now it's just sort of a matter of being able to implement that properly. But it is nice, again, knowing that you do have that continued mentorship throughout the entire time with your live funds. It gives you a little bit of extra confidence knowing that you have the help if you feel like you need it. Moving forward, I'm basically just hoping to continue trading with Alphachain as I sort of learn to develop my consistency in my trading and work on my mindset with trading. And I think eventually my bigger goal is to hopefully move on to one of the larger capital accounts as I do develop my consistency and hopefully hit the targets that'll allow me to do so. But yeah. Overall, I've had a great experience with Alphachain, and again, I hope to continue with them, and I would definitely recommend the program, as it sort of really taught me the foundations that I need for trading, and I think that they have really sort of set me up for success with trading as long as I can sort of learn to implement everything. So yeah, it's been a great experience overall.